Multiply 629,341 by 37 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 3 plus the carried 2 is 23. Put 3 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 9 plus the carried 2 is 65. Put 5 in this column and carry 6. 7 times 2 plus the carried 6 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 44. The first partial product is 4,405,387. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 3 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 8. 3 times 6 is 18. The second partial product is 18,880,230. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the tens column, 8 plus 3 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 2 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the thousands column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the 10 negative thousands column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the hundred negative thousands column, 4 plus 8 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the millions column, 4 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 to the power of 7 column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The whole negative number product is 23,285,617. So 629,341 times 37 is 23,285,617.